That's for the shower floor. This is shower.
And that's your main floor.
Isn't it pretty? It's got a little bit of like something in it when the light hits it. I chose a marble in this bathroom because honestly, it's just an easy way for it to look real luxe and smooth and stunning, but we still get that natural color palette that Lindsay gravitates to.
How do you want it laid?
Go off the vanities, I think.
Off the vanities?
Because they're so straight, it'll just look really cohesive. And the shower's straight. I want the joint to be super small, barely a grout line.
Okay.
And that way we can really give the effect of, holy moly, this is a solid marble floor, but it's not. And it's how we can not bring in huge, massive slabs that cost a crap ton of money, but I can still get that look. We literally touched no walls, and we got a massive shower and an even more massive tub. How does that work? It's the science of renovation. Never makes sense, but somehow it always works. I think we're good here.
We're good. Let's talk about the kitchen floor.
Yeah, kitchen floor. This is a very basic tile, it's just a rectangle, but if we lay it in a really cool way, it'll give us the appearance of pattern.
Yes.
Isn't it nuts how if you look at this, same tile, and you look at that, this looks like it doesn't have movement and it's very flat. And then over here, you have movement. Like you can see like a flow, like it's water.
Yes.
Going down a pebbled stream. Lindsay is very particular. She likes clean, simple, so it's always that balance of giving them what they want, but just trying to elevate it and spice it up. Just a little bit of gin, sprinkle flair on it. This looks awesome.
Okay,
Cool.
herringbone. We'll start tomorrow. I'm gonna get back to work.
Bye, Victor.
Bye, Jenn.
Hello.
Hey.
Mudroom day. You ready?
Mudroom day. You got it?
I'm gonna let you do it.
All right.
Carry this really heavy hardware in. You guys got it?
Tight fit.
Barely clears that vent.
Yeah.
Perfect fit.
The perfect fit.
Pretty.
There you go.
So with our white cabinets, we've got our natural oak on top. Put a sealant on it, cap it. Last thing we need are doors on the top and our hooks and hardware. I'm thinking this for drawers.
Okay, the
So
large
those
one
will
for
go-
the big drawers, okay?
And then I'm thinking up here to match, we've got little single knobs and these will go beep, beep on the corners.
2 doors,
Yeah,
okay.
love that. Thanks, Victor.
Bye, Jenn.
Brett.
Miss Jenn, how are you?
4 bodies to get clothed and dressed. I understand why Lindsay wants it all right there by the kitchen. Assist, pull up underpants, shirts on, who forgot their socks, where's your shoes? It's a mess. That looks nice.
They'll be able to get in, get their laundry, push it back in. It's soft clothes like all of the other things that we've done.
It's like your party trick.
Each one, yes.
Look at your fancy little drawers. She's gonna love them. I've got room for my light up here so we can see what the heck we're doing. This is looking really good. No one is gonna know that there are underpants in that TV cabinet. Ooh, look at that shower wall. Pattern and movement. Loving that. Oh, shoot, we got countertops.
We got countertop coming. Will it fit?
Don't do that.
There you go.
Don't even play with me right now. So nice.
It ties into your gray.
It's got, see how it has like tans in it? I picked it because I want to bring out some of the tans that are in the shower as well. I feel pretty conservative as far as like our color scheme. Lindsay loves white and gray. So I'm trying to take that, but have some movement, have some luxury, have some class built into this white marble. I need to choose hardware. So where the silver kind of blends in with the blue,
Yeah.
because they have the natural same undertone, the black sticks out.
So you're going with black.
I think I want to do black. Hardware is like jewelry for a bathroom. You got your hair done, you got your makeup done, you looking good with your outfit, but then you put on some massive gold hoops. Brings it all together. That's hardware. We're so close.
Yes, we are.
Let me know if you need anything else.
All right, bye, Jenn.
All right, bye.
It's all right.
The massive countertop for the island is here in the house. Yeah. I'm very excited. I'm also nervous about how heavy it is. The island had to be Texas-sized because that is where they want to do life. That's where they want to do board games. They want to have meals. They want to have friends over for their kids. They're going to be able to do anything and everything that they want to do on it. That was easy.
That was easy.
Wow, that was great. It's massive. This is so cool. I feel like this is the island that was always supposed to be here. How many people can we fit around this island? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yay.
That's a massive island. Wow.
That's
I feel
big.
good about this.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have 1 day to whip this room into shape for the Hensleys, and I am pumped. Built-ins are done. Hardware is on. All the decor is coming in like it's hot. The bed is in. The rug is in. This wasp is about... The wasp is out. All is ready for final touches. This is the moment where my design comes to life. So why don't we do this one here, since that's not gonna be as focal. This one here. Ties in the curtains. Let's talk about levels, shall we? I see this a lot when I walk in a client's home, and everything is kind of falling flat because everything's the same level. So let's take a peek at this corner. Come closer, Ryan. Or should you? Or are you good? Okay, you're good. Okay, so we have the bed that's right here. Then it comes down to the side table. Then the cactus. You see where I'm going with this? We've got some height on the mirror. We drop down to the baskets, pop back up to the curtains and the pillows. Over here to the, you see, a little height with the plant. So whenever you do this in your space, are you seeing everything at the exact same level, or do you have visual interest? Does it draw your eye up and then down and then up and then down? That's what you want, because that pulls a room all together. I'm really excited. I think it's come together beautifully, perfectly. It's exactly what I like. Behind the doors is your room. Even the neighbor down the street was like, this is the best couple to do this for. So I just want to say thank you. I hope you love it. And I'm ready to show you the space.
Well, we're very excited.
We are not in our room.
Oh my gosh.
This is awesome.
Jen!
In a million years, I would have never came up with this. Oh my gosh, the desks.
I love that blue. It's so pretty. I love this hardware.
Do you?
This color is so pretty.
The brass.
Look at this. This is perfect.
Do y'all notice anything like big in front of your face right now?
So I thought it was a picture.
That's a TV.
Oh, that's...
I wanted to show that you can have a workplace, and then you can also have, whenever you guys lay in bed, if you guys want to watch TV in here, you can do it.
I love it.
There's a bed and there's a desk in here and there's a ton of room and the lighting in here now, so much brighter.